What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Happy 4th of July. So, this is just going to be a quick update on the eBay and Amazon account. So, let's just jump to the Amazon account since that'll be the quickest. So, today we're on $44 in sales, and for the last 30 days, we're at 4,300. And for eBay, so you guys know I'm still like a new seller on this eBay account that I have. Um, well, pretty much all the accounts that I have are still at this $1,000 mark or whatever. So basically, every 30 days, every first of the month, the limits reset. So the limits reset for me. So I was able to, put this product up here. And then as you guys can see, I put this up in the middle of the night. And in like 2 or 3 hours, we made $800. So that's not bad at all. Super, super, super simple and easy stuff. As you can see, 159, 159, 159, 159. It just came in like clockwork, right? So this is the back of the account here. So you guys know this isn't a screenshot of some stuff I made up or some nonsense like that, right? But so we got 135 more dollars we can make. So can't sell the product I was selling it. Well, I could, but I'm not gonna sell it for 45. Well, basically like a $20, $30 discount or whatnot. So not doing that. So I decided to put up a different product, and we're just gonna see how that goes. It's my first time actually selling this product here, and just test it out. I put it up like 20, around like 20, 30 minutes ago. So we'll just see what happens. If it's good, if it's bad, if it sells, if it doesn't. If it does sell, then I'm just gonna do it like the same routine, see what happens, see how many sales I get within like the first 2 3 days. Well, like mainly like the 2 days, first 2 days. Then we'll buy some in wholesale and then send them out from there. All right. So that's what I do personally, because if you drop ship, like I don't drop ship like this or whatnot with like after like the second day. Like I do this just I have it running for like the first 2 days, then I'll wait for them to get the product, let them get the product, get their reviews out, hear what they got to say. If the quality of the product's bad, I know not to go to that supplier anymore, because it doesn't matter if you get a whole bunch of sales if they all fucking get returned. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no point. So just wait and see how the sales go, whatnot, see how the reviews are, see how, again, they think the quality of the product is, and all that stuff. So let's say if you send out 10 of them and 8 of them get returned, there is no point in buying from that supplier. So then you go to another supplier, or you just try a different product. Because again, there's no point in getting a bunch of sales if they all get returned. No point, you know. But yeah. So that's what I do. First 2 days, we drop ship, and then after that, wait till we see how the reviews and stuff go. And then after that, if everything goes good, buy a bunch of it in wholesale, or however much, whatever the numbers say. Buy that in wholesale, and then we send it out, right? Because when you buy in wholesale, you're gonna get way better deals, like way, 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 way better deals. So let's say, for example, the product is $100, right? If you buy it, straight out or whatnot. Let's say that, for example, this product right here, right? We would make 59, probably like 50, like let's say $45 after everything, right? The shipping fees and all that stuff, right? But if we had bought that product in wholesale, let's say if we bought 30 units, they might give them to us for $60 per unit versus paying 100. So we just save $40 on every single one right out the gate, right? And if you aren't drop shipping, then one, can get the product there to the customer a lot faster, and two, you're going to be able to drop your price lower than the competitor, because they have that $100 ceiling there, but yours is all the way down to 60. So you can drop yours down $10 more, $15 more, or whatever, and you'll still be in that cushion part or whatnot, because you're basically getting products for free because you're buying them in bulk, compared to paying that $100 price or whatnot. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you got any questions, and all that fun stuff, so me drop them down below. This training here will be inside Landshark Profits here soon. If you are a current member, you'll get this for free. Once this eBay stuff is done, the price will double. I'm just be 100% honest. Like, look at that. Like, literally, right? And like, literally, this, if you have an eBay account and you set this up, you will literally make money like 30 minutes after buying the course. So I mean, yeah, it's gonna either quadruple. I mean, you guys know it'll be a lot higher than what it is for right now. But like I said, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And the Amazon training, like for this stuff right here, that's already in there, right? So that's like, this is already in there. Like I said, can't make this any easier, guys. Like, this is stupid easy. Like, this is, I would say this is easier than CPA marketing for the average person. If you're already an affiliate, then CPA marketing, well, they're both stupid easy, to be honest. But this right here is like the easiest stuff for an average person. Because if you can walk into a store, if you can order something online, if you can put something in the box, you are literally done. That is it, like that's it, but that's pretty much it. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, questions, all that fun stuff, put them down below, and happy 4th of July.